What's up with it, YouTube, man? It's your boy still on, back again, man, with another episode, still on the road, man. Hey, I know I've been out of pocket, off the scene. I ain't dropping nothing in a second, man, but I got something good for y'all today, man. All my Chevy riders, my Chevy lovers. Yeah, man, you see, I done tow some shit down, man. See, I done tow some things down. If you hear any wind, man, it's just the fan, man. It's hot out here in Texas, man. See the whole dash, man, tow out. Now, I'm finna try to prevent a lot of y'all from getting to this stage, man, to where your whole dash is hanging like mine is. You got everything unscrewed and not, you know what I'm saying? And y'all remember in one of my other episodes, I was dealing with the situation of turning my headlights on and my dash just chooses to go out. You know what I'm saying? So, what's wrong with this gas hand, man? This gas hand has been acting real weird, bro. I don't know, gas hand been acting strange. There's one thing I still need to fix. I don't know why the gas hand just keeps on wanna, you know what I'm saying? And it's gonna go all the way past full, so that's something I still need to fix. But other than that, I'll get to the task at hand, man. This is what happens, now see, there's another thing I'm gonna tell y'all how to fix your speedometer. My speedometer, been tripping. I gotta fix them connectors behind there. That's another thing I did, but I'll get to that. Now, when I cut the headlights on, make sure I put this up. Say my lights don't come on. Shit goes off. Cut the headlights off, they come back on. You know what I'm saying? So once again, let me show y'all. Cut the headlights on, or park lights, excuse me. Them park lights, it goes off. Headlight, it don't come on. Now, I thought it was the dimmer switch itself. I pulled this apart, fooled with them cords off up in there. Thought it was the switch itself, and it's not that. Now down here up under your dash, down here up under your dash, you're gonna have what this is called a instrument panel dimmer module. Instrument panel dimmer module, instrument panel dimmer switch module. And it'll be up under your dash like that, screwed in. Two little screws, take it out. Now I'm finna show you a way to test this so you can see if this is your issue with yours. Let me try to set this camera up. Yeah, I can have an angle of me. What I'm gonna do. I'm actually trying to think of how I'm gonna go about showing y'all this because alright, I'm gonna just tell you what I'm gonna do. Right here on this dimmer switch, let me try to zoom in for y'all. Right here on this dimmer switch, man, you have two places where the resistor or transistor will connect when you flip on your switch. You know what I'm saying? So it's two sections right here. They both have a split in between them or whatnot. Not sure if that's supposed to be there. I know for sure it's this whole module. I'm gonna show y'all why. Alright. Now, like I said, you see these two splits. You can fit a screwdriver in between the split to make them touch. Also right here. okay? So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna stick a screwdriver right in between this one, right in there, and then I'm gonna flip the switch on and see if the lights come on. And it's just me bypassing the transistor because to see if it's the problem. Now, let me set y'all up right here. Okay, hopefully y'all can see. So I'm finna stick this. In fact, what I'm gonna do is I'm finna turn the lights on. Y'all see it went out. Y'all see it went out. I turned the lights off. Okay. Now I'm gonna stick the screwdriver in this damn transistor where I told y'all. Boom. See, all the lights came on. I got the screwdriver in there in between that little section right there. Now all the lights work. All the lights work. I actually got 112,000, not 200 or something thousand like I thought. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta fix this damn fuel pump, which is probably my sending unit, but that's gonna get replaced. Like I said, I'm working on this shit on the daily, man. I know this is something that a lot of people are dealing with. You see, I got the brand new LEDs back there, wide, looking good. You see, this is something that people are constantly having an issue with and whatnot. So, you know, that's how I fixed it, man. That's how I got it done. That's how I made it work. And I have to see how I'm gonna get all the lights on, but for the most part, I got that working. So that's how I did that, man. Anybody who having a problem with your headlights, man, on the Caprice, Impala, this module right here will cause this. That shit for the night, man. Shit, nigga, I'm gonna get this situated, get my dad back on. I'll show y'all how it looks when I'm done. You know what I'm saying? Okay, YouTube, I got the clip bezel back on there. Got it all bolted in. Now on to how I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna bypass to make this work, because all the parts stores I looked up don't have them in stock. So I'm gonna have to order one for Rock Auto or really wherever. Rock Auto about the cheapest one. I'm gonna have to order one and get that in. So in the meantime, in between time, in order for this to work, I'm going to create a little foil piece I can just wedge right off up in here, man. Like I said, you're only trying to wedge it in between that little spot right there, in between there. I'm gonna stick my nail off up in there, but it's too thick. Right off up in there. Hold you up a little piece of foil, thick enough that it just fold up and make sure them two connectors touching, and then you good. Put it back in. Now I don't recommend just doing that for no fix, and I'm gonna change that before I choose to sell the car, so it will be fixed. But if you having this issue with your headlights, matter of fact, my headlight's still doing it right now because I don't have nothing wedged in there. So, show y'all once again, having this problem. Turn your shit on. But, turn the headlights on. Even in the park light, shit won't come on. Turn it back to regular, it comes on. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, you wedge something off up in there, some metal shit, the headlights gonna come back on. Now let me do that shit real quick. I wonder if I'm really sitting on FU like that. I don't know. But let me check on it real quick, I'll get right back. Like I said, all I'm gonna do, take me some foil, take me a little corner or something, so that I can try to fold up. Make thick, a little thick, you know what I'm saying? That's all I'm trying to do. Once again, if y'all hear wind, man, my bad, that's that fan. Shit. Hot as hell out here in Texas, man. Hot as hell in Texas. So all I'm doing, man, is folding this shit up. Folding it up, folding it up. Trying to give me a thick enough piece. I can just wedge down in there. You see how thin that is. A little thin ass piece, man. A thin piece. Now look, all I did, literally, was squeeze that piece of foil in there, right? And once I got it to fall in there, in between the slits, I just mashed it down. That way it's gonna be sitting on top of both ends of the, of the connection. And it's in between. I just mashed it down. Sit on top of it like foil, sit on top of a bowl, You might even wanna take your little screwdriver. Take your little screwdriver. Take your little flat head and push the ends so they can sit around them two connection pieces. That way you got your good connection real quick. Try not to make it too much come out here like I just did. Now, let's see if the full piece worked. Let's see if the full piece worked. Alright. Put this key in. Dash on. Okay. Turn the headlights on. Boom. All my LEDs on, Jay. Hold on. With the full fix, you hear me? Still on the road, man. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, man. For real, man. That's an easy fix if your headlights were not working before. You know what I'm saying? You was having issues with it. Me, I couldn't see at night. None of that. Couldn't see how fast I was going. Just got that problem solved, man. Now we gotta do is order new modules. Shit, we right in the game. But that's for anybody dealing with a 94, I wanna say a 94 through 96 Caprice, 9596 Impala, any of that. This module right here. If you're turning on your headlights and and your speedometer goes out and your headlight lights and all that goes out, that module is the issue, man. So I just showed you how to bypass it, make it work. You know what I'm saying? I just showed you how to bypass it and make it work. You feel me? Now, as far as dimming it and all that, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna do that because I bypassed the module, so I can't dim it. Can't dim things and all that, and I see these other lights that probably behind there, which I don't know, but they ain't coming on. But you wanna fix your dash and make your dash light work for the meantime in between time, man, is how you do it. Dash lights will come on, you'll still be able to see at night. That's how we ride, man. That's how we making shit happen. Still on his garage, man, with another fix, man. Y'all tap in, like, share, subscribe, comment all that good shit, man. Anything else you want to know, just tap in with me, man. I done fixed a lot on this car and just, having to deal with this shit. So, a lot of this shit ain't hard, man. It just take a little time, man. A little effort. I'm out this bitch, though, man. Come take me a smoke break, man. Finna goddamn me.
All I know is get the
celebrate,
work.
You know what I'm
All
saying?
I know is do the work.
Getting this shit together.
All I know is put in work.
Fuck
that, it gotta work. All I know is get the work. All I know is do the work. All I know is put in work. Fuck that, it gotta work. Cool 100 for the sneakers. Couple dollars for the shirt. Bitch, I don't really do designer. Cause I know how to make it work. All I know is get to work.